This is Icon item number 2249, a 75-ton down-acting Dake press with an 80-inch by 74-inch bed area. The press has a 10-horsepower top-mounted hydraulic unit that is used for the closing and opening processes. The actual tonnage is built with an air-over-oil pump that's built into the system. So the press does not have controls, so we're going to run it with a switch box. We're going to show the press closing. We'll then turn the motor off, switch over to the air function, and then once it builds tonnage and is clamped, we'll turn the air off, turn the motor back on, and open the press. That completes item number 2249.